Okay, we have taken this, cut this part out, sanding it down with sand down the outside of it. We've done the same with this, and we cut it off here because this is the back, and we had to come down farther because this guy's partially bald. Okay, then we used this as our pattern here. So we're going to cut this piece out through there. We're going to cut this notch out in here. This is going to be for our dowel, which our string is going to go up and over. So we won't need this piece or this piece, but we'll save this piece here because this will get glued onto this for the back of the head. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you got any questions or comments, put in my comment section. I'll get back with you. So once we cut this piece out, we'll use it as a pattern to cut the other side of the head out. So we'll cut this out and then use this and mark it on that. So we'll get this done, then we'll come back. Thanks for watching.